Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to do beachy waves. So if you want to know how to get these type of waves, then continue watching my video. So first I'm going to start off by brushing my hair, just making sure there's no tangles in it. And I think that's good. Okay, so when I got out of the shower, I put on this oil, the Garnier for Teeth, and it works really good for me. I grab my hair in less than half, just like a little. I'm just gonna leave a little part in the back to have room, just like that, and then get them in 2 pieces. So I'm gonna be using this wand. It's about, I don't know exactly what size it is, but it's not that big. So I'm gonna get, probably from this piece, I'll cut it in half. And I'm gonna go ahead and get it real tight, like you want to get it real tight. And just for 1, 2, 3, and you see at just 3 seconds, it's already done. So you do the same thing with one, 2, 3, and it's done. I'm gonna go ahead and do these 2 also. One, 2, 3. You can say it in your head out loud. But you see the curls? They do really quick because this thing is super hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue the upper part. I'm gonna do the same thing. Get another chunk about this size, and then the upper hair on top, just gonna grab it with the clip, and I'm gonna split it in half again. Oops, got mixed up. So I'm gonna go ahead, grab this little piece, wrap it around. So this is the final look. And like I said, if you want your curls more curly, then you just gotta leave it on for longer. But like, this is a typical beachy look. I hope you guys enjoy watching. I will be posting more videos very soon. And subscribe to my channel, like the video, and thank you guys.